Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. How to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Discord. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. And here you will enter to storage. After that we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.